For centuries, comfrey has been one of nature's most respected herbal remedies. Often called knitbone due to its traditional use in supporting the healing of injuries, this remarkable plant has been valued by herbalists across Europe, Asia, and beyond. With its broad leaves, purple bell-shaped flowers, and deep roots rich in beneficial compounds, comfrey has earned a reputation as a powerful natural aid for a variety of health concerns. Modern research has helped validate some of the traditional uses of comfrey, particularly when applied externally. The plant contains compounds such as allantoin, rosmaric acid, and various antioxidants that contribute to its healing properties. However, it is important to note that comfrey should generally be used topically rather than consumed internally, as certain compounds in the plant may pose risks when ingested. So, what makes this ancient herb so special? Here are 10 surprising health benefits of comfrey that continue to capture the attention of herbal enthusiasts and researchers alike. Number 1. Accelerates wound healing. One of comfrey's most famous benefits is its ability to promote faster wound healing. The herb contains allantoin, a natural compound known to stimulate cell growth and tissue regeneration. When applied to minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions, comfrey may help the skin repair itself more efficiently. This regenerative property has made it a staple ingredient in many herbal salves and creams designed to support healthy skin recovery. Number 2. Reduces joint pain and stiffness. People suffering from aching joints often turn to comfrey for relief. Studies have suggested that topical comfrey preparations can help reduce discomfort associated with conditions such as osteoarthritis. Its anti-inflammatory compounds work to calm irritated tissues, while its soothing effects may improve mobility and flexibility. Many individuals report noticeable improvements in joint comfort after regular use of comfrey creams. Number 3. Supports recovery from sprains and strains. Athletes and physically active individuals have long relied on comfrey to assist recovery from soft tissue injuries. Sprains, strains, and pulled muscles can result in swelling, pain, and limited movement. Applying comfrey-based ointments may help reduce inflammation while supporting the body's natural healing processes. This dual action can make recovery periods shorter and more comfortable. Number 4. Helps ease back pain. Back pain is one of the most common health complaints worldwide, affecting millions of people each year. Surprisingly, research has shown that topical comfrey extracts may provide significant relief from acute back pain. The herb's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties can help reduce discomfort in sore muscles and tissues, offering a natural option for those seeking additional support alongside conventional treatments. Number 5. Promotes healthier skin. Comfrey is often included in skincare products because of its ability to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. The allantoin found in the plant encourages the production of new skin cells, helping the complexion appear smoother and healthier. It may also assist in reducing dryness and irritation, making it a popular ingredient in creams formulated for sensitive or damaged skin. Number 6. May help reduce bruising. Bruises occur when small blood vessels beneath the skin are damaged, leading to discoloration and tenderness. Traditional herbal medicine has long used comfrey to help speed the resolution of bruises. By supporting tissue repair and reducing inflammation, comfrey may encourage bruises to fade more quickly while lessening associated discomfort. This benefit has made it a favorite remedy among those recovering from minor injuries. Number 7. Provides natural anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation plays a role in many health conditions, from joint disorders to muscle soreness. Comfrey contains rosmaric acid and other plant compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. When applied externally, these substances may help calm inflamed tissues and reduce swelling. This effect contributes to many of the herb's other benefits, including pain relief and improved recovery from injuries. Number 8. Helps relieve muscle soreness. Whether it results from intense exercise, physical labor, or everyday activity, muscle soreness can be frustrating and uncomfortable. Comfrey's soothing properties make it a useful natural remedy for tired, overworked muscles. Topical applications may help reduce tension and discomfort while promoting faster recovery. Many people find that comfrey creams provide a cooling, comforting sensation that eases post-exercise aches. Number 9. Supports bone and tissue recovery. The nickname, knitbone, did not emerge by accident. Historically, comfrey was often used to support the recovery of broken bones and damaged connective tissues. While modern medicine remains essential for treating fractures, comfrey continues to be valued as a complementary topical remedy. Its ability to encourage cell regeneration and tissue repair may help support the healing process in surrounding muscles, tendons, and skin. Number 10. Rich in protective antioxidants. Comfrey contains a variety of antioxidant compounds that help combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules known as free radicals damage cells and tissues. Antioxidants help neutralize these harmful molecules, supporting overall skin health and tissue protection. Although comfrey is primarily recognized for its external healing properties, its antioxidant content contributes significantly to its reputation as a restorative herb. Comfrey has earned its place among the most respected medicinal herbs in traditional herbal medicine. From supporting wound healing and easing joint pain to reducing bruising and promoting healthier skin, this versatile plant offers a surprising range of benefits. Its unique combination of allantoin, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antioxidants makes it especially valuable when used externally for minor injuries and discomfort. Despite its impressive history, comfrey should be used responsibly. Experts generally advise against internal consumption due to the presence of pyrrolizidine alkaloids, compounds that may cause liver damage when ingested in significant amounts. For this reason, most modern comfrey products are intended strictly for topical use. When used appropriately, however, comfrey remains a fascinating example of how traditional herbal remedies continue to complement modern wellness practices. Its long-standing reputation as a healer is supported by both centuries of experience and growing scientific interest, making it one of nature's most intriguing medicinal plants. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.